Selector of the time, don't watch my size in this hour. While my back's against the wall, take a ride, competition, take a ride. Pull it operator, drop the other side. Thought it was over, so far from done. Speakers are up, the sound sweeter with an echo chamber. Don't you know that they are the danger? 3 bottles of crystal and it's agreed the best would only come from the dawn. Where's the close my eyes when I take a ride for the bag in the outside. Oh, don't worry about that, you see it's all natural. Police chasing this bandolero, running down the road with my thick arrow. One stop was my music shop, where I heard this guitar screaming. The sound sweeter with an echo chamber. Don't you know that they are the danger? 3 bottles of crystal and it's agreed the best would only come from the dawn. Where's the close my eyes and take a ride? Take a ride, everybody take a ride. 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 It's been a while since I've seen your face. Gotta say that I'm happy to see you come around my place. Now, I think we talked about it, and I think I know what's coming up next. Let's put our minds away and let our hormones do the rest. Does it seem obscene? Does it seem like a bad thing? Well, if it is, I'm sorry, miss, but you know I'm just 19. So don't be afraid when my pants start to leak. You know damn well I'm in my sexual peak. Well, sex with me. It ain't like I'm asking you to give it up for free. Oh, we get started right now, baby, get on your knees. Don't make me beg again, girl, I just said please, please. Yeah, now when you look down, don't be misled. I found my life purpose and it's getting upstairs into your bed now. So there's a phone, girl, go right on ahead. I'm sure you'd rather be with your stupid boyfriend instead. Then I take my mark, I let my bitch on party. Alright, hold on, honey girl's car. Oh, going to oof right off. Turn you fuck up. Oh, Dad! Hey! Honey girl, you stay. Hey, what the fuck is that? Hey, what the fuck is that? Hey, honey girl!
Oh, sorry, thought it was you.
Oh, Dad!
Finger bang, what?
Why you gotta sleep with my dad?
Hey boy, how's your chick? Nina?
Why don't you have some dirty hot sex with me? It ain't like I'm asking you to give it up for free. Oh, we get started right now, baby, get on your knees. Don't make me beg again, well girl, I just said please. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well baby, get on your knees. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm begging you, darling, please. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well baby, get on your knees. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm begging you, darling, please. Please, please me.
Said the man who feel him a fool, or he be the wise man. For the man who don't think he's a fool, he control his destiny, but he's too good for himself. For himself, for himself. Oh, I need is something to keep me moving on in a world of all and pray. And everybody seems so strange to me. Said the man who feel him a fool, or he be the wild man. For the man who don't feel him a fool, he control his destiny, yeah. Too good for himself, for himself, for himself. Oh, too good. These weapons of destruction, it's why these people suffering. You know the confusion. You ain't winning if you lose some. You don't need, said the man who feel him a bully, or he be the wild man. For the man who don't think he's the bully, control his destiny, but he's too good for himself. For himself, for himself. Oh. just like you. Everything we do the same. Or is that true? Girl, I love you, Mary Jane. What would I do for without you? So put your love into this, girl, and don't you feel no shame. Just let this be. Girl, I love you, Mary Jane, and she loved me. All about you. We don't need no cocaine. All we need is good sense to rule our brains. Only one thing sets us free. Always our pain. Talk about the earth. Go with someone just like you. Everything we do the same. Oh, is that true? Girl, I